guys, welcome back to my channel, Z's Fun Factory. Today, our mission is to entertain and bring fun, happy smiles to everyone around the world. And today, we're going to go to Mission BBQ, and we're going to try out their food, and we'll see how good it is. I mean, it's the first time.
Yeah, it's the first time ever trying Southern barbecue. So, it's cooked slow and low. They smoke everything for hours and hours. I'll get the exact specs and let you guys know, but we're going to try the brisket and the pulled chicken. And they have a ton of different kinds of barbecue sauces that you can try and see which one you like, okay?
Yeah.
From spicy to sweet, so you can try all the different ones. That'll be a lot of fun. So we'll see you when we get there.
Okay, bye.
All right, so here we are, Mission BBQ, the American way. It's barbecue American style. Oh wow, they have veteran parking here. Somebody's must be a vet because they're parked in that spot. That's supposed to be my spot. All right.
Yep,
Perfect.
you're a veteran.
All right, so let's check it out. Okay, so I definitely want to get the brisket sandwich.
You want it moist or loose?
Moist. How long do you cook the brisket for?
For 12 hours, I believe.
So we smoked this with our white oak.
Okay.
Like I said, it takes about 12 to 14 hours.
Wow, 12 hours.
For chicken?
With french fries, right?
Fry down. Fry down. So we have peach cobbler.
You want to try peach cobbler? You try it. Okay, peach cobbler.
Okay. So 2 peach cobblers, you said? Or just one? 2 or one? So moist brisket sandwich with coleslaw and a drink, and a 2 sandwich with fries and a drink, and then a peach cobbler.
Okay.
And what's your name?
John?
Okay. And is this for here? Okay. It's going to be 3018. It's going to be 3018. Ooh!
All right, so we're finally here. Thanks, Leah, for serving us. This is your first time eating Southern barbecue, so I'm really excited. We got the pulled chicken sandwich and pulled brisket. Okay, don't taste it yet. I want to show them what we got here. I'm gonna have to show you the tray because it's gonna fall apart here. So that's what it looks like.
Whoa. Yep.
Yeah, so wow, that looks great. And we got the brisket. It's smoked for 12 hours, this brisket. That's what it looks like. Up close, you see the smoke ring, that red smoke ring? That's a smoke ring. The red ring around the brisket. That's how you know it's cooked slow and low. This is not my first time here. This is your first time here. I've eaten Southern barbecue in Texas, and when I was stationed in North Carolina, I ate a lot of Southern barbecue down in North Carolina. But in Maryland, Mission BBQ has actually become pretty famous. There's a lot of famous people that come here, not in this particular location, but at Mission BBQ in itself. A lot of famous people visit Mission BBQ because the brisket is supposed to be so good. So here we go. I'm going to cut the sandwiches in half. And I'm excited. So here we got all these different barbecue sauces, right? We got the KC Classic the Bayou barbecue, the Tupelo honey heat, the Texas twang. All right, so you want to try the barbecue sauces first? Okay, this is called the KC Classic.
How's everything?
Good, thank you.
Good?
We're trying all the different sauces.
Oh, you like them?
That's Leah.
Hi.
Yeah, she helped us out. She's great. Yes, so we haven't tried it yet, but we're trying all the sauces first.
Okay, okay.
We'll let you know.
Smoky Mountain is my favorite.
Which one? Smoky?
Smoky Mountain.
That's
that
what,
one.
Yep. It's his
Yeah.
favorite too.
Yeah.
We'll try it.
Good taste and sauce.
Yeah. Thanks, Leah.
You're welcome.
All right, ready? So I'm gonna put a little here. Taste with the French fry and the chicken. Try the chicken with it. I'll try the Smoky Mountain too, okay? I'll put some on here. Taste it with the chicken, Jim. So he doesn't like sauce, that's fine. I like sauce. Tell me what you think. Is it good? Describe it.
I got a mouthful.
You smell the taste of smoky chicken?
Fly.
Okay. Go ahead. You like chicken better?
Yeah. The thing I like, see, the chicken is actually very moist. See that close up? Yeah, that's how moist the chicken is.
It's moist?
Yep.
I'm gonna take a bite of the
I taste
chicken.
the barbecue
Okay, and then I'll
flavor,
give you my
And
feedback.
I taste some filler.
Huh?
And I also taste some filler.
All right, so
I actually hate the biscuit.
you don't like the brisket?
Yeah.
Maybe because of the sauce, huh? Why don't you taste the piece without the sauce?
I want to, after this, I'm going to have a break.
Take a piece without the sauce. Try that. I don't know. He doesn't like the brisket, maybe because I put the sauce on it, but I love the brisket.
I like it now.
Huh?
I actually like it now.
I can get your brisket, but just finish the chicken, okay?
I just don't like it.
So the brisket is so tender. You've got the fatty bits, the burnt bits in it, which in combination with the smoked long, slow and low smoked flavor. I mean, the combination of all three, that's just amazing. No wonder this place is famous around the country. I mean, it's just so tender. The brisket is just so tender.
The chicken is very moist, and the filler just blocks the taste. And yeah, chicken, and also tastes the barbecue flavor, and all that combined, it tastes very good. So I'll rate it like probably like 9.3.
9.3?
Yep, pretty good.
The
Not
brisket
pretty.
sandwich to me is a 9.9. Let me taste the whole chicken. Wow. With that soft bun mixed with that tender chicken, it literally melts in your mouth. Literally melts in your mouth. That's a 9.9. I don't normally go for pulled chicken sandwiches. I'm normally a beef guy, but I'll definitely eat that anytime. And the French fries have the skin on French fries. I like that style French fry. I love those burnt bits. That gives it like a charcoal, fiery flavor. That smoky flavor. It's tender. I like the fatty bits mixed in with the lean meat. It gives it a soft texture, plus that juiciness coming off the brisket. I mean, this is spot on. I love this sandwich. Probably my favorite sandwich in the world, Jim. All right. So you want to try the peach cobbler?
Very sweet.
I love the top layer. It's got that crispiness to it.
Tastes like the apple pie, to be honest with you.
It's good, right?
To be honest with you.
You can tell this is homemade. It's really good. I actually really love it.
I actually like it too.
You eat with your eyes first, but I guess you got to try it first.
I know, it actually looks messy, but
It's a peach cobbler.
I know.
So here's the coleslaw. I just love coleslaw. Especially, I'm going to try some coleslaw on the sandwich. I like this coleslaw. You know why? It's not overly mayonnaise. A lot of times, you go to like Roy Rogers even, and you get their coleslaw, it's like 80% mayonnaise, you know? This is gonna add a nice little crunch to the sandwich. So I got a little coleslaw on the sandwich. Wow. That really does it. You wanna try a little coleslaw in there?
Sure. Almost like salad it is.
Yeah. Let's try it, make it a little crunch. Try it. What do you think?
Tastes a little different than salad.
Yeah, it's cabbage.
Ah.
Good.
Actually kind of like it. Really vegetable. I actually like it.
So you don't like the brisket too much because of the fattiness?
Yeah.
I can understand that, but that's probably one of my favorite parts. Sorry about the traffic background. We're on the street. So why don't use microphones, especially on food reviews? I mean, you don't want to hear us swallow and chew. Believe me, it's not a good scene. It's horrible.
Yeah.
So we rather talk loud and you guys have background noise with the traffic. I think it's more natural, more organic.
Not like here, swallow.
Oh, it's
Here.
so gross.
Here.
So you like the peach cobbler?
Yeah. I mean, but when I eat the peach by itself, it's too sweet for me.
Okay. All right, so thanks guys for watching. Zayd's first time eating Southern barbecue at Mission Barbecue here in Germantown, Maryland, and I think that'll do it. You really love the pulled chicken sandwich. I love both. I actually like the hotter type sauces, but I didn't put it on the sandwich because I knew you wouldn't be able to eat that. So you want to say something, or you have something to say? Goodbye, or?
So here's the reason why I'm gonna put this in the bloopers. I had to spit out the thing because you know fat. Fat, I don't like it. Nobody wants to be fat. Plus.
I know. It actually is good flavor though. Fat means flavor to me.
But fat in the texture of my tongue.
You're a texture person, I know, but that's okay. I mean, you like the chicken. I mean,
Yeah.
chicken was great.
It tastes like you're eating like a slime ball.
Huh?
When you're eating fat, it tastes like you're eating a slime ball.
This is good, Zayd. Still, even if it's cold, it still falls apart. I mean, the bun is so super soft. All right, guys. Till next time, we'll see you later. Please subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Oh yeah, and also don't forget to share and subscribe. Yeah.
Yeah, subscribe and share. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Texas twang. Pretty good.
Disgusting.
Disgusting?
I hate it.
Not this well.
Hot. Oh no, I just ruined the whole thing.
No, half of it doesn't have it.
Oh, okay.
All right, just spit it out.